BMW shops see the same 7 failures roll through their bays every single week. We have ranked them from manageable to catastrophic, based on how often they hit and how fast the bill climbs. Some cost a few $100s if you catch them early. One will total your engine overnight. Here is the countdown. We start with number 7, the oil leak nearly every high-mileage BMW develops. Number 7. Leaky valve cover and oil filter housing gaskets are the most common source of oil leaks under a BMW. The first sign is usually a burning oil smell after a drive, sometimes with a wisp of smoke from the passenger side of the engine. Owners might spot fresh oil along the back of the valve cover or down the engine block and a puddle forming on the driveway. These gaskets harden and shrink with heat cycles, especially after 80,000 miles. On many 2014 and newer models, BMW switched to a plastic oil filter housing that is notorious for cracking, making leaks even worse. Shop labor for a valve cover gasket runs $400 to $800, while an oil filter housing job can spike to $2,200 if the housing itself needs replacement. The updated metal insert housing, covered by BMW's Technical Service Bulletin, is the fix. A quick UV dye check at home or at any shop can catch leaks early, saving you from a bigger mess and a much bigger bill. Number 6. Electric water pump and thermostat failures can turn a healthy BMW into a ticking time bomb. The first sign often sneaks up. The cabin heat cuts out, or the temperature warning light flickers on the dash. Ignore it, and overheating can happen in minutes, enough to warp a cylinder head or seize the engine. The culprit is usually a plastic impeller inside the electric pump that cracks, or a bearing that seizes and stops coolant flow completely. Thermostats on these engines are also plastic, and when they stick closed, coolant cannot circulate, leading to a rapid spike in temperature. These failures can show up as early as 60,000 miles, with about 4% of cars affected before 80,000 miles. If you hear the radiator fan blasting at full speed even on a cool day, or if a scan tool picks up a coolant temperature code, do not drive it. The only real fix is to replace both the pump and the thermostat together because labor overlaps and skipping one only invites a second breakdown. Expect to pay $1,200 to $2,300 for the pump and $300 to $650 for the thermostat, including labor. Preventive replacement around 70,000 miles is smart money, especially if you value your engine's life. Always use OEM parts and bleed the cooling system thoroughly to avoid air pockets that can trigger another failure. Number 5. Clogged VANOS. Solenoids are a silent killer for BMW drivability. When these variable valve timing actuators get blocked by oil sludge, drivers notice a rough idle, hesitation off the line, and a nagging check engine light. It is a problem that creeps in on cars with stretched oil change intervals or cheap off-spec oil, especially on N20 and N55 engines built from 2010 to 2017. About 5% of cars see VANOS codes like P0010 or P0015 before hitting 100,000 miles. A technician pops the engine cover, unplugs the solenoid, and checks resistance. 12 ohms is the magic number. If the reading is off, or if cleaning with the right BMW-approved solvent does not help, a new solenoid is installed. Labor runs 1 to 2 hours, and the full repair typically costs between $250 and $500 at a reputable shop. Owners tempted by bargain cleaner kits should know this. Using the wrong solvent can destroy the fine mesh inside the solenoid, turning a simple job into a bigger headache. The best prevention is regular oil changes with the correct BMW Long Life 01 specification. Skimp on oil and VANOS issues are almost guaranteed. Address it early and you dodge the risk of more expensive fuel or engine repairs down the road. Number 4. High-pressure fuel pump failure on BMW's turbocharged N54 and N55 engines is a weekly headache in the shop, and it can leave drivers stranded without warning. The telltale sign is a long crank at startup, followed by a sudden loss of power on the highway as the car drops into limp mode. That is the pump failing to maintain the 3,500 kilopascals of fuel pressure these engines need under boost. It is not just an inconvenience. When the pump cannot keep up, the engine starves for fuel and you are at real risk of being towed. About 8% of these engines see HPFP failure before 70,000 miles, most often traced to worn internal seals and bearings. The P0087 code is the smoking gun, but a bench pressure test is the gold standard for diagnosis. BMW issued a technical bulletin and an updated pump with a reinforced housing, and that updated pump is the only part worth installing because cheap aftermarket units do not last. The job takes 4 to 6 hours, and the bill lands between $1,500 and $2,800, depending on labor rates and whether the fuel rail needs cleaning. Insist on the latest OEM pump and never ignore a long crank or limp mode. Delay too long and you are risking a breakdown in the worst possible place. Number 3. Worn thrust arm bushings and control arms are a classic BMW headache, especially on 3 Series and X5 models built after 2012. The first thing drivers notice is a dull clunk from the front end when rolling over potholes or braking hard. That sound comes from hydraulic fluid leaking out of the bushing, which leaves the rubber to flex and twist under load. The steering starts to feel loose and a vibration creeps in right around 50 to 80 kilometers per hour, just when you want the car to track straight. Uneven tire wear, especially on the outer edge of the front tires, is another giveaway. The root cause is simple. The fluid-filled bushing in the lower control arm breaks down with age and heat, losing its ability to isolate road shocks. Once the fluid leaks, the rubber degrades quickly, letting the control arm shift and throwing off the alignment. About 3% of these cars need new bushings before 100,000 miles, and the repair is a frequent job in any BMW shop. Owners can choose to press in new bushings for $600 to $900 or go for a full control arm replacement, which can reach $1,500 with labor and alignment. Press-in bushings usually last another 70,000 miles, but if the arm itself is corroded or bent, a full replacement is the safer choice. Ignoring the problem only makes it worse. Steering precision drops, tires wear out faster, and there is a real risk of damaging the ball joint or knuckle. The best prevention is to listen for clunks, check for uneven tire wear at every service, and have a shop inspect the bushings if the steering ever feels off. Catch it early, and you will keep your BMW's handling sharp and your repair bills under control. Number 2, carbon buildup on intake valves is the silent power thief of BMW direct injection engines. If your car feels like it has lost its edge, with sluggish throttle, a rough idle, or a misfire that just will not quit, there is a good chance the intake valves are choked with carbon. Here is why it happens. On these engines, fuel sprays directly into the combustion chamber and never touches the valves. That means oil vapor from the PCV system settles on the hot valve surfaces and turns into hard carbon deposits over time. By 80,000 miles, about 12% of turbocharged BMWs show enough buildup to cause real performance loss. The only way to fix it is walnut shell blasting. The process strips the carbon clean in 4 to 5 hours of shop time. Most shops charge between $700 and $1,200 for the service. After a proper cleaning, owners often see a gain of 4 to 6 miles per gallon and a noticeable jump in throttle response. Preventive steps matter. Regular oil changes keep PCV vapor down, and installing a catch can trap the worst of the oil mist. Scheduling a walnut blast every 60,000 to 75,000 miles keeps your engine breathing strong and avoids the domino effect of misfires, failed sensors, and eventually much bigger repairs. Ignore the warning signs, and you are not just losing horsepower. You are risking the health of the entire engine. And finally, in first place, timing chain guide failure on BMW's N20 and N63 engines is a one problem that can turn a routine service visit into a total engine loss. It starts with a cold start rattle, a sharp metallic clatter that lasts a few seconds after you fire up the car, especially on chilly mornings. That sound is the timing chain slapping against guides that have gone brittle and started to crack, usually before 90,000 miles. These guides are made from a plastic compound that is supposed to last the life of the engine, but heat and oil breakdown turn them fragile. Once the guide fractures, the chain can jump a tooth, throwing off the cam to crank timing. That is when you see codes like P016 or PS017 or worse. The engine misfires or refuses to start. Ignore these early warnings and you are gambling with a $12,000 engine replacement, not just a repair bill. Shops see this failure in about 6% of N20 engines before 90,000 miles. The only way to know for sure is a cam crank correlation scan. If the readings are off by more than half a degree, or if a borescope inspection shows guide debris, it is time to act. A full timing chain and guide overhaul costs $4,000 to $8,000 at most independent shops. That includes new guides, a fresh chain, a tensioner, and all the seals, 8 to 12 hours of labor, and it is not a job for amateurs. Some shops offer a partial, guide-only fix for less, but if the chain is already stretched, skipping the full overhaul just invites a repeat failure. The fix is expensive, but the alternative is catastrophic. Once the chain skips far enough, valves can hit pistons, and then you are looking at a crate engine. The best move is prevention. Regular oil changes with BMW spec synthetic, early acoustic checks at every service, and a cam crank scan at 60,000 miles. If you hear that cold start rattle, do not wait. Park the car, get it inspected, and save yourself from the single most expensive BMW repair on the list. Across all 7 issues, one truth stands out. BMW cars reward owners who pay attention early and punish those who ignore warning signs. These failures are not random. They are predictable, preventable, and expensive if missed. Smart ownership comes down to knowing the patterns before they empty your wallet. Stay sharp out there.